Good morning, I am Shawn Hatton, Vice President of Sales with Visit Jackson, and we are excited to have Shura Garnett, Senior Vice President of Convention Centers with Oakview Group.
Oakview Group is a full venue management company, and we really focused on enhancing our guests and our clients' experiences as they come into the building. We're trying to create memorable experiences that will last a lifetime for them. We also work really closely with our clients to improve their bottom line and make sure that we're utilizing and practicing, best industry standards when it comes to things like executing their events, safety training and protocols, along with best operational efficiencies. We're working really diligently to make sure that all of our meeting planners and our attendees feel very comfortable when coming back to meetings and events within the convention center. One of the things that Oakview Group did very early on with COVID was to create our manual on reopening our venues post-COVID. And we worked closely with a lot of agencies to create those guidelines. They include working with EPA and CDC regulated products, as well as EPA and hospital grade sanitizers, disinfectants, and cleaning agents. With regard to temperature checks for both attendees, planners, and staff, there's a lot of information out there that clearly indicates it's a best practice. Our goal is to be sure that when we execute an event, we're executing it in a fashion that is acceptable to our planners, that is efficient and safe for our attendees, as well as our staff. So there will be times when temperature checks are definitely implemented, and there may be other times when we've got a smaller event and social distancing is more than 6 foot. We have so many open spaces where our attendees can safely socially distance from one another during their conferences. We have this beautiful Pascagoula lobby that's just filled with 2 stories of windows and bright lights, and you can see some of it behind me, and lots of different configurations for tables and chairs, high tops, low seating, things of that nature. We have another area that's very similar as well, and that's our Trustmark Gallery, which is upstairs. It's just a smaller space, but it also encompasses all of this beautiful bright light and lots of options, for socially distanced seating. We have a ton of technology here in the building, as well as audiovisual and great audiovisual partners to be able to do virtually any kind of a meeting with any kind of technology that's necessary. We've actually worked with clients on a daily basis right now to reschedule their events, moving their deposits, and in many instances, refunding their deposits without any kind of a penalty. We aren't charging for additional space, and we're doing everything in our power to make sure that their original plans can move forward at a future date just as successfully as they would have initially. The bottom line is, we want you to come visit Jackson. And Visit Jackson and the Jackson Convention Complex, along with Oakview Group, are doing everything we can to ensure that you have a great experience, a memorable lifetime experience, and a safe experience. Come visit us at Jackson.